Hi smart marketers, welcome to this video of Tag the Market. Today in this video I'll show you browser side tracking for Meta, server side tracking with taggers, and customer subdomain creation and verification. So let me start with this one. For that I have to create a server side GTM. This is the browser side or the client side of GTM. This is already been created. My client has worked on this. So here some tags here, and I have deleted and triggers and everything he created, but those were not working properly. So told me to create all of them anew. That's why I have deleted them. So if I go to this admin, create a new container, and container settings, container name. So this is server side, so exact copy is server side, and web, this one server. You have to select it and create. Wait a bit. Yes, so this is for Google Cloud Platform, not for other platforms. This automatic system, and for taggers or for steps you have to select this manually provision tagging server, and this is the config details. So if I go to the taggers, this is the interface. You will not find it at the very beginning. For that you have to log in. When you log in, you will find this interface, this option, add container, company name, AgriAquaBD, and if I go to this and copy it again for this website and paste here. And location may be in Asia, location in Asia, Australia, yes, Singapore. So continue, and here you have to provide the config from this GTM. This is the client, which is server part, so I have to copy it and paste here, and choose subdomain. So if I select it, you can rename it as you wish. So if I select it, I'll be taken to an interface where I'll find some DNS records details to add them in my hosting panel. But I will show you after this one. So at first let me show it. If I don't select, I don't go for this, if I select this, what actually happens? Create container, wait a bit. So your container is being created, so it takes a few moments. So wait. Yes, this is the domain, and if I go to this setting, and you will find this subdomain. This subdomain is a default subdomain provided by this platform Taggrs. What I'll do, I'm not going to use this. I will create a subdomain or custom domain for this. So this edit and SSG, I prefer this SSG.agriAquaBD. So this one, if I save it, so it is telling me to reinstall it. Let me wait and see what happens. So this is the details, DNS records. I have to add it to my hosting provider, and then I have to validate it. Let me go to this cPanel. So my client manages his DNS from this cPanel, and under these tools you have to find Zone Editor. Under domains you will find this Zone Editor. So open in a new tab, and here you will find this manage option, and if you click on it you will find all the subdomains created previously. So what I'll do, this add record, click on it. So there are some vacant places, so let me go to this information, SSG, copy, and SSG and 300, and type A and record. You have to provide this record, you have to copy it. Now save. So you have to check it. SSG, okay, it has been added. Now just refresh it and go to this and validate, and within a few seconds you'll find it's validated. Yes, this is validated. Now everything is done, so you have to wait a few seconds. This is the details. So this is the ssg.agreecoverability. So this is the subdomain. So this is how you can create a subdomain for your server-side checking. And in this server GTM, I have to add this. And save.